Welcome to the missile ballistic scripts that are inside the package, and we're going to check how the global package works. First of all, you will see that we have a grid, the grid here, that is composed by the different buttons. Each of them will trigger an event as it follows here, and whenever we click on the red square, which is, as you can see here, the shooting game object that is being enabled by the clicks on the grid, you will be able to launch a missile. That's the main idea of the game. The game is to launch missiles following a parabola. So let's check how the parabola is achieved. Okay, let's pause it there and go to missiles and the last missile. So this missile here has a missile parabola which has an origin that is going to be the launcher, this game object here, and then it's going to have a destination. The destination is going to be the shooting rectangle, which is placed on the point we are clicking on. If we open the script, you will see how the package interacts with the missile in this example. So what we do is we generate a coroutine which is going to calculate the different parameters. As you can see here, the A and the V, the B, which are the main parameters of the parabola, which is used for the movement of the missile. And this is achieved thanks to scripting using the velocity parameter that is here, using a differential movement. So we have the transform position, which is going to be the transform position, plus the velocity multiplied by speed. So this is going to be like the basic stuff you need to know to generate a parabola movement for a missile. Then we have another scene that is called the basic hexagon scene that works similarly to the one that we have seen before, but in this case the different buttons are hexagons, so the grid is quite different, but the behavior is similar to the one seen before. Let's go to the advanced packages. The advanced packages allow the movement of the launcher. So if you move the launcher with the A and D keys, you will be able to rotate it along the y-axis, and you can do the same using the W and the S to lower the turret. And once you have done that, you will see how the missiles are shown and are launched in a different way as before. The missiles now follow a trajectory that is not a parabola. In fact, what they do is being launched using the position of the launcher, and then the position is being calculated and rectified by script. So let's pause it here to show the trajectory that the missile is following. So you can see how the missile is starting from the point of the launcher here, and then it rectifies its trajectory in order to get to the destination. And finally, we have the advanced scene with different vehicles. So in this case, we are able to shoot missiles that are going to follow the trajectory of different objects dynamically, as you can see. So let's just check a little bit how scripts work in this case. First of all, we have the vehicle scripts, which are object movement. You can select between a plane or a car, because the plane and the car have different movements and different coroutines that are going to generate a circular movement that you can see here in this part of the script, or a square movement that you can see in this part of the script. Regarding the missiles and how they work, we have to check inside one of the missiles a game object that is really important. Let's pause it for a second and let's check inside one of the missiles a game object that is called lookAt. The lookAt has a lookAt given, which is a script that is going to face at the objective we want to shoot. For instance, in this case, it's going to be the tank. For the other missile, it's going to be the airplane, as you can see here. So those sub game objects inside the main game object are going to rectify the position of the missile by script, and that is achieved in the missile advanced missile advanced. You can see how we are doing that by transform origin rotation quadrant in this case, and then we generate a coroutine that is going to check if the transform position is different from destination position, and then what it's going to do is move, as you can see here, lerp the rotation to the rotation of the looking game object that is inside the game object it's looking at the objective. So that's how it works. I hope you consider downloading this package. I hope you like it. I hope you wish to improve your games by using these new scripts regarding the missile ballistics, and consider downloading our scripts. Thanks very much.